I searched how to buy shares of Compagnie Lebon SA, a manufacturing and consumer goods company listed on Euronext under the ticker ALBON.PA. This video is educational and not financial advice. Please assess the risks and do your own research. To buy ALBON.PA, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as the example platform to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ALBON.PA to find Compagnie Lebon SA. Make sure you select the Euronext listing to locate the correct share. On the asset page, review the company summary and examine the price chart for recent movements. Confirm the page shows Compagnie Lebon SA on Euronext before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order will execute when it reopens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After the trade, your Compagnie Lebon SA position will appear in your portfolio for tracking. A link to the example broker is provided in the description if you want to follow the same steps.